What's up, Bounce House School? How do you mark units as unavailable on your website? There's a few different reasons you're going to want to do this, whether you're doing it for the phantom rental method, which I talk about in the book, or you're just something's ripped or you have to repair it, or for whatever reason, you want to take an item out of service that day. I'll show you guys how to do that right now in the rental software. I'm going to make my pretty face smaller here. This is what the end product is going to look like. What's cool about this method that I'm about to show you is it does not take the items off of your website. It just shows them as unavailable. So let's say you have 4 items. It'll show that these 3 are unavailable, only this one is, and it increases the likelihood that somebody will book it because it's the last one. So how do you do this? You just go to the rental software and you go into the settings and you just type in maintenance. Right here, bam. Once you're in there, you just add to maintenance, pick the product, type in Bounce House, which one? So let's say I'm going to take the Shark Bounce House. How many do you want to take out of service? 1. You can put notes or whatever. And what date do you want to take it out of service? Let's say today. Go ahead and apply, and that's it. Once you hit save, this item will show as unavailable. It'll take like an hour, a couple hours for it to reflect on the website, but that's how you do that. How do you bring the item back? So if you go back, you'll see that here I have, for example, one pop-up tent. This one actually got, check out here, let's see, 2018. Here we go. Here's one, my emoji 6-in-1 combo. There was a small rip in the netting. We took it out of service on October 29th, 2024. Let's say now it's repaired. All I got to do is put today's date, hit apply, save, and it will be back in service. Right? There's other things you can use. You can put pictures and all that. I don't really use all that. I just use it, again, for the phantom rental method. If you want to learn more about the phantom rental method, it's basically where you add in items that you don't have yet, keyword yet, to your website so that you can see which ones customers want, or to give your website a little bit more volume. So I have a video about that. Just let me know in the comments and I'll send it to you. Comment your city and your state to let me know you've watched this far. Thank you for engaging, helping the channel, and that is how you get your items to show as unavailable, by putting them in maintenance. Whether you do that for whatever reason you end up doing that for, this is what it will look like in the end. It may look a little different for you based on your website setup. It may just say, unavailable or something like that, or choose a different item. But this is how you ultimately do that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.